How to convert PDF to booklet in Adobe Acrobat application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Adobe Acrobat. At the top left corner, click on File and choose the option of Open. From the file, you simply need to choose the PDF which you want to convert to booklet. After that, once you have edited the PDF, click on Print. In printer option, choose the one which you desire, and in page sizing and handling, choose the last option of booklet. Choose the correct size for booklet. After you are done editing the size of booklet, click on print at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to convert PDF into booklet in Adobe Acrobat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.